video, unboxing video this time. Got myself a U94 push to top for Baofeng. Pull that straight open. Now, in that they had like pictures kind of made you think it came in a box, but yep. Don't know if you can see that properly. It says Tactical U94 Ptt and a bunch of Chinese writing. Spring on that is stiff. Yeah, my battery cut out there. What I was saying is the spring on the clip is stiff. But I've got Baofeng radio. See if it fits. I should have got fits into my Baofeng. We'll know if it works because I don't have headset yet. But next part is obviously putting on my plate carrier. So yeah. So you can see I've got my plate carrier sitting there. Radio back in radio pouch. Gotta stick my U94 Ptt into my plate carrier, but I also need to Velcro pouch there. I need to get that open. That was a bit of a fight there. Oh well, days. What? So, yeah. There's my PTT on my 6094 plate carrier. So yeah. So you can see here, got my 6094 on. and obviously I've got PTT wired up to my Baofeng radio, so basically how this would work is if I was using something like my fast helmet, I would either have headset clipped on or underneath the helmet. Video on this coming up soon, by the way. Literally video on this helmet coming up soon. But basically, what you would use a push to talk for is an actual radio headset. Don't get me wrong, you can. These radios come with one with a built-in push to talk that you can just go press a button to speak. This is similar principle, but obviously ties in better. So basically, if you were wanting to speak to call for reinforcements, like obviously Airsoft, you call for backup, that. Or if you're in America and you're out shooting, and you've got a friend that's not that far away, and you've got radios, push to talks come in handy. The headset obviously plugs in at the top, button there, so that way you can just go click it, speak, and once you're done speaking, obviously, go, and that's it. Keys up the radio, and it's pass through obviously, so that way you can hear everything that's getting said back to you through the radio as well. So, but what I've done with this plate carrier is I have, as you've seen, has this Velcro admin pouch right here. What I've done obviously is wire go down, in through, and back up and out, and obviously go into my radio pouch. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to get a couple of pictures, take a few pictures, fling them in, obviously. So that way you can actually see the push to talk and some pictures, and flat dark earth. It's amazing. Showing up in the camera obviously is tan, that I can see it on my camera through the screen at the side. But it does look good. I won't know if it works until I get a headset. So yeah, then I'll have my comms fully up and going. Any of that made any sort of sense. Understandably. But yeah, as a cheap Chinese one that was about £10, really, so I can't complain there. I just need to make sure that it fits, not a problem to my Baofeng, but without a headset and the other one, somebody with the other one testing it, I won't be able to. Obviously, once I get a headset, I will be doing the testing to make sure this all works together, everything all works together, because what's the point of having comms set up for Airsoft if you cannot speak to teammates or that? If any of that made sense. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, all free to do, and enjoy a couple of pictures of my push to talk.